Welcome to GoOutdoorsNE.com. In this video, we will guide you through the Continue as a Guest option on our online permit system. From the login page, select Continue as a Guest. This will take you to our guest product catalog. Note that as a guest, you may only purchase park permits and Nebraska Land magazine subscriptions, or make donations.
For all other permits, you must have a profile. Select Recreational User and look up or log in to your account.
When purchasing a Nebraska Land subscription, you can choose to select the gift option, which will request purchaser and subscriber information. When selecting a park permit, be sure to choose if the permit will be used on a Nebraska or non-Nebraska licensed vehicle. If choosing a daily park permit, you will need to select the date you plan to visit on the checkout page. Also note that a daily permit is valid for the date selected until noon the next day. Once you have chosen your desired product, select Proceed to Checkout. As a guest, you will need to enter your personal information before reviewing the items in your cart. Once the desired products are in your cart, select Pay Now and enter your card information. Then, select Submit Payment Information. Please be patient while the payment is processing. Once the payment is complete, you'll be taken to the confirmation page. From here, you can print your documents. Park permits need to be signed and a vehicle license plate number is required. Annual park permits will be sent in the mail. Thank you for visiting GoOutdoorsNE.com. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please visit OutdoorNebraska.gov/permit help.